Good morning friends. Today I am going to explain the most important problems of quantum physics. These are the problems which are very important for the competitive exams just like CSIR, NET, GATE exam, Jest, SET and IIT JAM etc. Here the question is the Heisenberg equation of motion for momentum for a system with Hamiltonian h is equal to p square by 2m plus v of r is what? So we have to find out the Heisenberg equation of motion in terms of momentum, that is dp by dt is equal to, there are four options are there. Dp by dt is equal to minus delta v of r, and b bit is dp by dt is equal to 0. C is dp by dt is equal to minus ih cross delta v of r. Dp by dt is equal to mp comma v of r. The solution for this problem is here. The Heisenberg equation of motion for momentum can be given as we know this equation, that is I h cross dp by dt is equal to p comma h, where h value. So we all of you know h value already, it is given in the problem also. H is equal to px square by 2m plus v of x. Now this equation can be written as dp by dt is equal to 1 by ih cross, that is ih cross goes to this side, then that will be 1 by ih cross. Then here we are taking x term, so that's why p of x comma px, h value is px square 2m plus vx we are substituting in the above equation. So next after that we know that how to calculate these terms. 1 by ih cross px comma px square 2m. Now this we are separating, that is px comma px square 2m and px plus v of x. So that is ih cross px comma px square 2m plus 1 by ih cross, that is px and vx. Now dp by dt is equal to 1 by ih cross px. This total term can be written as px and vx. Now let us take, this is equation number 1. Now consider what we have to consider, that is px comma vx value in term psi. This we have to calculate the value of px comma vx psi. This can be written as here p value. P value is nothing but a momentum So momentum operator we can write here minus ih cross dou by dou x. So minus ih cross dou by dou x comma v of x psi. Now this can be written as, so this is in UV form, that is ih cross dou by dou x v of x psi minus v of r. So here we are replacing x by r, that is position vector. So when you are using psi, so that's why we are minus ih cross dou x by dou x, dou by dou x of psi we can write. Okay. Now here these two terms v of r and psi, this is just like a UV form. So here minus ih cross dou v of r by dou x psi minus ih cross v of r dou psi by dou x. So this expansion of this term only up till we will get the values. Okay. Next plus, minus into minus plus, then v of r ih cross dou by dou x of psi. So as it is we wrote. Next these two terms are same, that is one positive and one negative, so both are get cancelled. Okay. Now here the remaining term is that is ih cross dou v of r by dou x psi. Now this can be written as px comma vx value is nothing but a minus ih cross, so dou psi by dou x can be written as del, so v of r. Okay. Now substituting this value in equation number 1. So px comma vx value we are going to substitute in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? That is dp by dt is equal to 1 by ih cross px comma vx. So when you substitute in that equation, then ih cross and ih cross get cancelled. Then we will get dp by dt is equal to minus delta v of r. Okay. So what the correct option is minus delta v of r. So here the first option, that is dp by dt is equal to minus delta v of r is the correct option. Thank you. For more videos subscribe my channel Physics.